Alright, so let's talk about Link Wizard. Link Wizard is a link management software on steroids. Basically, it combines features of several link management software. I'm sure you're aware of Bitly, Brandly, Linktree, and it's all rolled up into one. It allows you to create custom short links, track the links, get deep analytics, and it also allows you to track pixels, run solo ads, create bridge pages, create social profile funnels, and help you generate more revenue. Let's talk about one of the main features, and it's being able to have your custom branded link. That means everywhere you post a link on the internet, you have the ability to make it custom to your business. We all know of these ugly links, especially affiliate links, where it has all the data and parameters all at the end of the link. And usually when somebody sees a link like that, they're very reluctant to click on it. Why? Because it's long, there's a lot of information on it, there's a lot of numbers and stuff behind it, so people automatically sees it as spam, and their defenses go up because they're not sure what that link could be. But when you have your custom branded link, you have your business name, and you can tell your customers what to do from there. Inside the dashboard, let's go inside the dashboard a little bit so we can talk about the software itself. All your links are all in the same place, so you can track all your links as well as see stats. You can share your links. Let's go to a link with some data. You can see how many clicks, you can see the browsers, you can see where it came from, you can see if they're on their phone, if they're iPhone, Apple users, XYZ, and if it was redirected or not. You can see, you could track the sales conversion because that's part of the pixeling process, and the lead conversion, or you can even create custom conversions. So all of this data you could track from one single link. And as we were talking about before, imagine just having to put all of this information in a URL. Imagine 2020-men-on-a-mission-virtual-summit.hey summit. All of this information just to get to a web link. If someone goes to a link like that and they misspell it, they're going to say, hey, your link is not working, or they're just going to get frustrated and go somewhere else. So what do you have? A short link that says shortlinks.app/summit. They can go directly here and they don't have to remember all of this information. So that's one of the main features of having a link shortener. So we talked about branding to have your own branded links. We talked about tracking, be able to track all the analytics. Once you have all of that data, you're able to optimize what you're doing and be able to see where your customers are coming from, because you could add pixels, and pixels will help you in terms of email marketing, advertising. You'll be able to customize all of that, how you post it, and also control all your links, and it allows you to profit. Some of the additional features, let's go back to the dashboard. You have file links. File links is basically if you have a PDF document or anything like that, you can post your link, and anyone that has access to that link, they'll be able to download whatever PDF you have. And this is an example of what the link will look like on a display. Rotating links, you could use this one of two ways. Number one, like if you have a team of salespeople or a team of, let's say you're in a network marketing group and you do a media buy, you could all share in the links. You could all drive traffic to one website, and everyone that has their own unique link, they could get clicks on their particular website, and you guys can divide up the signups if you wanted to. Also, if you're a solo ad provider, you want to use this in order to provide a certain amount of clicks to a particular person, you could do that as well. And you could change the way the links are divided. Group links, this basically creates a group of links for you. It's not used as often, but it can be a powerful tool if you wanted to automatically create links. As far as opt-in links, this is basically your bridge page, and it allows you to set up a bridge page fairly quickly. So basically you give someone a link, which would be this link right here, and they'll have an opt-in page just like this. And it'll require them to enter their name, email, and phone number, and then they get passed on to the destination that they're going to, and you collect their information, and you'll be able to market to them from there. Lastly, we're going to talk about social profiles. This is a very powerful tool, very similar to what people know as Linktree. And with Linktree, you have some options. They do track the data and whatnot, and you can have customizable buttons and all of this, but they're missing a few key items. On your social profile, let me just upload one real quick so you can see. On the social profile, you have a bunch of data that you can collect. If you put this in your description for your Instagram bio, Facebook, LinkedIn, whatever, you can automatically see what your people are looking at and where they're coming from. As you can tell, I mostly use it on Facebook, but I can tell how many people are on Android, how many people are on their phones, how many people are on their laptops. I could also see that nobody goes to my Twitter. Most people would like to chat, or they go to my YouTube channel or my LinkedIn. So this tells me basically when anyone comes to my profile, these are the things that they're looking at, and I'll be able to gauge, okay, what's my audience main interest, and I also have the data of where they're coming from. And let me give you a quick preview. This is my social profile. Not only can you put a bold message up top, but whenever anyone clicks on this item right here, it allows you to collect their email address because they're automatically opted into my chat bot once they click this message. So it's basically a one-click opt-in from there. If someone has a group, which you can see I'm kind of targeting entrepreneurs and group members, I'll know if they would like to join my group. Obviously, this is somebody that's looking for training or more tips or whatever, they would join a group. If someone goes to grow their own group, you could tell that they're in a more knowledgeable role, a leadership role in which, okay, they have their own group and they're not really looking to follow somebody, they're looking to lead people. So I get that information from there. Obviously, I allow people to download the app, and this is additional stuff that I put here arbitrarily, but I have all of these items tracked, and I can see what my target audience is interested in. And obviously, if they go to any of my other social media outlets, I'll see that information here. And one small tip or trick is that for YouTube, the way the URL is set up, whenever anyone clicks on this particular URL, they're automatically subscribed to my YouTube channel. So instead of them trying to find the subscribe button, this is a subscribe button. So that's one very powerful feature. You get unlimited clicks, unlimited pixels. You can track analytics. You can personalize your link. Obviously, you can customize a link preview. You can rotate your links, run solo ads along with rotate those links. You can pass data. You can do file links. You can do expiration date links and schedule, like you can schedule the expiration of a particular link. Let's say you have an offer that ends at midnight. You could change out the link to something else that you're offering. And we have Zapier integration for link creation, and you can create bridge pages to collect leads. We have a 24/7 support team. They are primarily in India. We do have some people in the United States, so whenever you have an issue, we have 24/7 support. Obviously, people love it, so they left some testimonials. And we talked about the bonus feature, which is social media profiles. And basically, the premise is when anybody goes to your social media, do you know what they're clicking on? With short links, it allows you to track and optimize where people are clicking. So instead of having all of these links, you can have your short link in this description. You have these same offers on your link, and once they click the link, you'll know what offers they clicked on versus not being able to track where your audience is going after they look at your profile. If you want to create a social profile, you can check out this video, and that is it. Go ahead and get started. As a fast action bonus, we're going to give you 6 months of the biggest fan software, which is basically an engagement tool that allows you to put likes and hearts on live videos on Facebook. And this is post filter software. Basically, you could turn off all your ads if you wanted to, or if you wanted to find a certain kind of content on your Facebook feed. Let's say you're looking for advertising, let's say you're looking for marketing tips or whatever, or a particular business niche, you can search using this particular software. And we're going to give you 6 months free of both of those software if you sign up today. Obviously, you get our 24/7 support, and you can start for a free trial today.